So for this recipe, you're gonna need 3 ears of corn, some dry crab oil, olive oil for grilling, lime juice, sour cream, and cilantro. Very simple, very straightforward. So here we go. We're just gonna, on a little tray, just gonna oil these up. Season as we go. There we go. Oil and oil. This is the dry crab oil. It's got a ton of spice to it. I think it's really fun. That crema is gonna balance that out. And then we have a grill over here that's on high. We're just gonna go straight over to the grill, get a nice little char on it, we'll be ready to go. We're gonna grill this corn on high for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until it's done. So this is what you're looking for. It should start smelling kind of like popcorn, and a nice little even char all the way around. That's beautiful. So now we're ready to put our dish together. So we're just gonna take our corn right off the cob. We got a jalapeno here. Just gonna take the flesh off, leave back the seeds and the veins. There we go. That's gonna kind of do it for this. A little bit of green onion to that. All right, now we're gonna make our crema. That's the sauce that's gonna go on the bottom of the plate, kind of bring everything together. So in here we just have some sour cream, regular full fat sour cream, really works nicely. And some lime juice. A little bit more sour cream. We wind up using about a cup of sour cream to get the consistency right. Let me grab a whisk. It's amazing what the right tools will do when you need them for a job. You want to really get this nice and smooth. And our last part of sour cream. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit to our salad, just a little bit to kind of bring it together, a couple tablespoons. Some of that fresh cilantro into the salad. Now onto our plate. Nice amount of the crema. And this refreshing salad right on top. We're gonna add just a touch more of the crab boil and some more cilantro. There you have it, grilled corn salad with lime crema.